So she pulls out this picture and it is this adorable little Yorkie. And without thinking, I was like, okay, I'll take him.
He's not getting that extension. There we go. So grab the wings and I flip them up. All right. Really don't want me touching that. We might not be able to check that today. Nobody likes this today.
Oh, I heard a crack. I cracked my dog.
You did. You got credit. I just made a new online course called How to Massage Your Own Dog. All right, so we have Max back. And here's Jennifer. Jennifer and I have done a lot of videos together. You can check them out. We've probably done at least 30 plus videos together. And Max, tell us a little bit about Max.
So Max is a 10-year-old Yorkie. He came to me a couple of years ago. Someone came to me actually in PetSmart. I was in PetSmart and they said they couldn't take care of their dog. And I was like, oh God, what kind of dog is this? Because usually it's like...
Did they know you or just randomly stop you while you were buying some kibble?
I mean, it was kind of like random, but they knew like back in the day I was involved in a little rescue work and stuff like that. So they said, I have this dog, I can't keep him, whatever. I was like, okay, what kind of dog? And I was like, does he have behavior issues? That's the first thing you ask if someone says, I want to give you their dog.
Because they want to give you their problem.
Their problem dog, yes. So she pulls out this picture and it is this adorable little Yorkie. And without thinking, I was like, okay, I'll take him.
Oh no, so then you came home. How many years ago was that?
Then I came home. I got him when he was 6, so he's 10 now, so that was 4 years ago.
And he's still here?
He's still here.
Wow.
Yep,
okay.
He never left.
He's not your only Yorkie in your life.
No, he's not my only Yorkie. I love Yorkies.
Yeah,
but
can't blame you.
Yeah, but some things about Max, so he does have a slow digestion system.
Okay.
So the food has a little bit of a hard time like moving from his intestine. So that's something he's on medication for now.
Okay.
On occasion, he'll do like a random vomiting, another one. But
we're good at random vomits. If you watch any of our other videos,
yeah.
We just did a video today with Nugget who randomly vomited all over the place.
Yes, and then vomited again after we stopped filming.
We're good at getting vomits out.
Yes, but his is pretty well controlled with medication. Okay. So with him, he's a jumper. So he like jumps off the bed, he jumps on the bed, like those kinds of things. So he probably just needs like more of a maintenance kind of visit today.
Check your hips too if you'd like to jump, and I guess front legs too when you jump down, right?
Yeah. So he's constantly jumping.
All right,
everywhere.
You hold him right there where you were, and
okay.
I'm going to just start looking. Hey, Max. Do you know Max is my son's name? I have a son named Max. Does that mean anything to you?
Avoiding eye contact.
I could really care less.
She's like, let's get this over with.
Okay, just get it done. Can I work with you today? Okay. All right. May I work with you? Okay. I think we're going to work. I'd like to ask. Give him a chance to check that out.
Give him a chance to say no.
So let's take your head up. Oh, not much. He's not getting that extension. Your extension's not good today. Let's bring your head down a little bit. Not bad inflection, extension. No, he should be able to turn his head all the way up, point the nose at the ceiling, but it's not there at all. There we go. Give him a second, then we'll recheck it. So I went, and I was up at the atlas, the atlantal occipital joint, and we're just going to open up his extension. So that way when you're on the ground, since you're little and you're looking up at Jennifer, there's still a little bit left, so I'm going to tap this right here. Got it. That's high velocity. It moves the bone only a millimeter. Giving you another second, okay? I'm not rushing you. All right, want to check it again? What I'm going to do is bring you into extension. All right, ready? Show everybody. There we go. Oh.
I'm gonna readjust.
All right. We know not to put a Yorkie down or they'll run away.
Yeah.
And not come back.
Max is trying to run.
All right, so let's try it now. Hold him like level, because we're checking it from a level position, not like he's already in a vertical position. Good. And then we'll bring it up. All right. I got to check your range of motion. He's really guarding that. Let's bring your leg forward. Remember, he's a senior dog. Doesn't like any part of this today.
He's fighting all of it.
And I've worked with him before. So I'm rubbing out the muscle, and it's making his ear quiver a little bit. His eyes are more alert. He's feeling this as a pain spot. So I'm gonna just hold it for a minute, and I'm rubbing. I'm not adjusting it right now. I'm rubbing the muscle. So I'm really doing massage, doing dog massage on his muscle. So I'm coming down your back. I know, you're like, what is this guy doing? I don't know if I like him anymore. Maybe you didn't. L4, L6, and I did sacral base. So I'm probably missing something at the atlas. So I'm up here at the atlas now, and I'm gonna flip it up. Okay, so I did a bilateral, the misalignment is an anterior atlas, so there's a tubercle on the front of the atlas arch, and it's pointed down. So I grab the wings and I flip them up, and all right. Really does want me touching that. We might not be able to check that today. You'll have to just let me know. How about you try it?
Okay.
So you're going to bring his head up to the ceiling.
Okay.
Okay? And I'm not going to even be involved. Let me even get out of the way. Keep going, keep going. Nobody likes this today.
Oh, I heard a crack. I cracked my dog.
You did. You got credit. All right. So what do we do? Well, the goal is not to freak him out. I already you cracked him, I cracked him. I even did the bilateral tilt, and
now he's stressed.
He's stressed out. But I did come down his back. I adjusted his mid-thoracics. I adjusted his lumbar L4, L6, sacral base. I think we'll probably end there.
Okay.
But because the sacral base is going to help his lower back. And let me just feel his hips back here. His hips are in alignment, and so up at the ceiling, there it goes.
Okay.
We got enough.
Okay.
All right, so let's see if he wants to do anything here in front of us.
Wants to run away.
Right? Getting ready to run. There's a shakeout. That's it, bye. Take care, Max. Is he gonna pay or anything?
The Yorkies don't even say thank you.
No. All right, well, just run your credit card through, okay? Keep going, keep going. Nobody likes this today.
Oh, I heard a crack. I cracked my dog.
You did. You got credit.